Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 14th of May and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 for all those children who've been working so hard throughout this week. And actually you'll see by some of their comments they've been doing this week on week on week. So huge congratulations to all of these children. And keep trying, keep working hard if it's not you, because who knows, it could be you next week. So again, this morning, let's start in year 6 this morning. And we've got, Miss Percy says, look at this. Golden Ticket 60p this week is awarded to someone who's impressed staff in year 6 all year, as I said, with their independence and excellent work ethic. They arrive at school every day ready to learn and put 100% effort into all they do. Their attitude to learning in home is fantastic. They read every day, regularly play on timetable rock stars and spelling shed. They use their initiative within the classroom to achieve their best in every lesson, and their quiet and calm manner contributes towards a positive learning environment for all and for everyone. It's amazing. This person shows great maturity within school and is showing that they are becoming increasingly ready for next year and high school. For all these reasons, this unsurprisingly not the first golden ticket of the year. It isn't the first golden ticket for Edric. Brilliant, you absolute superstar, Edric. Huge congratulations. Everyone should be cheering you and clapping you now. Really, really well done. I know your brother's going to be proud of you and your mum and dad. So huge congratulations. Thank you so much from me, because you make my job much, much easier. So well done, Edric. Proud of you. Thank you. Moving on. Mr. Davison says in 6RD this week, it's golden ticket winner is somebody who comes to school with a beaming smile and sometimes a football under their arm every day. They are polite, friendly and extremely hardworking. They love to share facts with the class and they're now reading more consistently every week. They certainly are. And actually they're not a bad footballer as well. Golden ticket goes to Sophie! There she is. Big smile. Well done, Sophie. I am proud of you. So well deserved. Keep it up. Keep being amazing and enjoy taking this home today. So well done. Thank you. Moving on to Miss Arthurton says, this week our golden ticket goes to a child who has an inquiring mind. He loves learning new things and will take this love of learning further, always searching for more facts to develop his knowledge. It's brilliant. He is an enthusiastic reader, which helps him to use an amazing range of vocabulary in his writing, always producing stories that have the reader hooked from the start. He certainly does. He has even impressed Miss Musselwhite with his writing skills. His love of writing has led to him winning a competition and having his work published. So we should know, with a bit of a clue there. This week's golden ticket goes to Adriel. There he is. Look at this. Well done, Adriel. Massive smile on your face as well. Keep doing that. Keep being inquisitive. Keep reading as much as you can and producing those amazing stories. Well done, buddy. I am proud of you. I know your brother and sister will be very proud of you as well. So huge congratulations. Moving on. Miss Musselwhite says, our golden ticket winner is thoughtful, kind and caring. In every moment, every day, this person tries to help both their peers and all adults around school whenever they can. They will tidy, they will make things straight, they will pick things up in the dinner room, they will help with their work partner. I could go on and on and on. They don't just do these things because they know it's the right thing to do, but because they genuinely care for others. They also work hard in school. They listen, take on board advice to improve, and they work hard consistently every single day. Their progress in all areas shows this. They really do make everyone smile, and I know that Mr. Allen would wholeheartedly agree. I certainly do. My golden ticket this week goes to none other than Kenzie! There he is, look at it. Well done, Kenzie. I am so proud. Look at these photos. Look at the smile on your face on every single one. Seriously, amazing. Really well done and well deserved. Thank you from me as well. Well done. I'm proud of you. Moving on. Here we go. Miss Barrett says, this child is a delight to have in the class. They listen carefully and show pride in the work they produce. They're never afraid to have a go at things they find tricky, and as a result, they're making huge improvements in all areas. They work well with everyone, and they have such a kind and cheerful manner. They really do. They always read more than 5 times a week, and they present every piece of work beautifully. A well-deserved golden ticket to Doreen. There she is. Well done, Doreen. Well done. I am so proud of you. I know your brother will be as well. Huge congratulations. You've always got a massive smile on your face as well whenever I see you, so really well done. She's going to keep up the hard work. Well done. Moving on to Mr. Pinner says, a great asset to the class. He makes fantastic contributions to discussions. The class always look to him to give thoughtful answers to challenging questions. It's amazing. The work he produces illustrates the care and imagination he has put into it. He is always very considerate to others. He's a great work partner and a fabulous friend on the playground. And he's also really helpful throughout school as well. A perfect example of what makes a golden ticket winner. Certainly is. Golden ticket goes to Subhan. There he is. Look at that. Massive smile. Look at all that reading every single day, Subhan. I'm so proud of you. I know your brother and your sisters will be proud of you as well. So huge congratulations. Enjoy taking this home today. Thank you. Moving on. Here we go. Miss White says, this person has a wonderful attitude. They inspire us all with their love of learning and thirst for knowledge. An avid reader. They have a wonderful imagination which shines through in their writing. They have a great sense of humour and are fantastic, everyone, with their general knowledge. Exactly, fascinating. Even me. They are a kind and helpful member of our class and we feel happy to have them. We certainly do. Golden ticket goes to Joseph. There he is. Look at this superstar. Such a hard-working boy. I'm so proud of you, Joseph. So pleased. I know your sister will be really proud of you as well. So huge congratulations. I know you're getting a massive cheer right now. So well done. Finally, we have Mr. Ackerman says, this child arrives at school every day with a smile on her face. She certainly does. She's bubbly, cheerful, and always wants to help. She has a positive attitude towards her learning and has been working hard in class. She makes us smile on a regular basis and deserves recognition for her perseverance and resilience in everything she does. So really well done. This week's golden ticket winner goes to Tia Rose. There she is. Look at Tia. Looking a bit miserable there, but that's for a World War II. So that's actually for their project they're doing this term. But usually she's got a massive smile on her face. So don't take that picture of her, but it's her World War II one. So huge congratulations here. You absolute superstar. Really well deserved. Enjoy taking this home today. You superstar. Well done to all of our winners. I'm so proud of you all and you should be proud of yourselves as well. So thank you so much and keep up the amazing work. Finally, thank you all. We're at that last weekend now for staying home, protecting Marlcross, helping to keep everyone safe. On Monday the 17th, that's when the roadmap opens up, where we're able to go around to other people's houses and go to other people's houses. That's what the government are asking us. I know we've kept that, so thank you everyone for keep doing that. You've done all of this and then helped Mr. Allen keep school open. But let's keep this going through the summer term, keep being safe, keep being sensible as well with that. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.